In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit existing text in Canva. If you need to fix a typo, update an old date, or rewrite a headline inside a Canva design you already made, the good news is that Canva makes this process very simple once you know where to click. The key is to make your changes carefully so you don't accidentally move other elements, throw off your alignment, or ruin the overall look of the design. I'll walk you through the full process in a clear, practical way so you can edit existing text without starting over. First, open Canva and go to the project you want to edit. From the home page, you can look through your recent designs or use the project section on the left side to browse your saved work. Once you find the correct design, open it so it loads into the main editing canvas. Give yourself a second to confirm that you're in the right file before making any changes, especially if you have multiple versions of the same design. Once the design is open, locate the exact text box you want to update. Try not to click around too much because it's easy to accidentally select a graphic, background shape, or another layer instead. Move your cursor over the text you want to change and click it once. When the text box is selected, you'll see a colored outline around it, which lets you know that Canva is ready for you to work with that text element. Next, to actually edit the words, double-click inside the selected text box. This will place your text cursor exactly where you need it. From here, you can either make a small correction, like changing a few letters, or replace a larger section by highlighting the existing text and typing your new copy. As you edit, keep an eye on how the text fits inside the box so your layout stays clean and readable. After your wording is updated, take a look at the formatting toolbar at the top of the screen. This is where you can adjust things like font style, size, color, and spacing. If the new text looks slightly off compared to the original design, this toolbar helps you bring everything back into balance. Small adjustments to line spacing or letter spacing can make a big difference in keeping the design polished. Finally, review the placement of your edited text box. Click it once and move it slightly if needed, watching for Canva's alignment guides to appear on the canvas. These guides help you line everything up neatly and keep the composition centered and visually balanced. Canva saves your work automatically, so once everything looks right, your updated design is already mahfouz and ready to share or download. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.